Now that we have added book model inside our project, we need to set up the database. In order to set up the database, we need few packages. So we'll go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager, and Package Manager Solution. Here, the first package we want is Microsoft.Entity Framework Core. We'll select this. The version is 3.0. Looks good. Let's install this. These are all the Entity Framework packages that we are needing because we'll be using Entity Framework to access database. After this, we need .SQL Server. So we'll search for that and we'll be using SQL Server. So we'll add this package as well. And the final package that we'll need is Entity Framework Core.Tools. And this is required because we'll be running migrations. I will explain you in the next video what exactly migrations are, so don't worry, but these are the three packages that you need. If you remove and close this, your application should have these 4 packages right now. Okay, so with this we have installed all the necessary packages. Now we need to set up our connection string. Let's go to SQL Server real quick. And in here, when you try to connect, you need a server name. The server name that you see right here, localDB in bracket, /MS SQL localDB. This is the default server name that SQL Server has. So right here, we'll use this in our connection string. So let me just go back, and the connection string that we'll be adding will be inside app-settings.json as I explained before. So for connection string right here before logging, let me just paste that. This is what you need to write. It will be connection strings with a plural s at the end and will set up a default connection. You can give default connection any other name that you want. Then for the server, we have the exact server name that we see inside SQL Server. Make sure this is aligned and also try to connect. Once you connect, this means that this server name is valid. After that, you can use the same server name here. Then for the database, we'll create a new database called BookListRaiser. Make sure that you do not create that database automatically from SQL Server. We will be doing that using Visual Studio. So right now you see we do not have BookListRaiser database here. We'll go back, we have the trusted connection true, and we have the multiple active result sets to true. I will be pasting this exact string with the lecture as well, so that you don't have to waste time to type this manually. But make sure the server name is valid with what you have. Once the connection string is in app-settings.json, next thing we have to do is we have to configure our startup class file. And let's do the configuration and run migrations in the next video.